to be infested. I'm Sherlock Holmes. Today we're going to be infested with a rare species of humans. Now we are going to get to look at one of the rarest types, the sleeping teenager.
Oh my gosh, did you guys wake up already? Yeah, no.
They don't talk much, as you can see. Basically all they do. Now we will explore the cameramen, or whatever. They're not very bright, as the lens isn't open. But they get the job done. They get paid minimum wage as $2 a year. That's about it. Nothing much to this. That he has ever read. It's a chapter book. Very long. So probably take him a few years to finish.
Icebooks that had formed out of the original ice movements.
Doesn't seem very like that interesting of a book.
And found it eventually in the United States.
Next person.
Has been was.
Right now we're looking around, looking for places for. Oh,
Sorry, sir. Here's some money.
no, thank you. We have found a suspect. They've given me $100. It is the rich teenager. No one has any clue how he got this rich, but he has his own mansion, private mansion. He has too many mansions, and he basically is a gamer or editor. Not very bright, as you can see here. It is not plugged in. He is rated. I think he's on a call. Yeah. I think he's on a call with his friends. That concludes today's episode of The Nature of Humans.